Welcome back to part 2 of the THQ headlight install. Let's get started on getting these lights in. Okay, right, we're going to get these headlights replaced and swapped out, and what we need to do that is we're going to have the whole front bumper and the grille off. Sounds a bigger task than it is. What we want to be doing is you want to be taking out all of these grille retaining trim clips, get rid of all of those, and then around the side you're going to have a couple of screws to undo up in the inner arch liner just here. I want to undo those. Sometimes you have some at the bottom, around the bottom, sort of 2 or 3 underneath on each corner on there. 3 over here and a couple on the arch liner over here as well. And then we're going to take this whole bumper off. You want to get hold of it because it's clipped in, and then we want to just be pulling that off. We want to be reasonably not forceful, but you do need to give it a little bit of a pull and take that front bumper off. It'll be unclipped around the sides, and then there's some clips down this wing joint here, so you've got both sides to do, and around the front by the grille just on this bit here. So we'll pop those off now, get this whole front bumper off, and then we can unbolt the headlights at the top and on the sides and put new ones in. Okay, once you've taken out all these bits, you want to peel back the arch liner, and just remember you've got one on each side. So you've got a trim clip that needs removing right here, and you might be able to see that, but we need to get into there and remove a little trim clip that's in there. Like that. And that was holding this skin in, so now this can move freely to unclip from the wing itself. We can pull that out, pop all those out up through here, and then take the rest of the bumper off. Right, here we are then. We've swapped these headlights out. We've got the new ones in on both sides. So all we're doing is undoing the T30 on the top, these 2 bolts, undo those. You've got another one, a T25 underneath here, and you've got a T25 underneath this plastic. And there's also one here. Just remember, when we put these back in, we put the stainless steel washers on those to hold those in, and the same with this one that's behind this cover here. And then we put all that back together. We put that cover back in, clip that back on, And now we're going to refit the bumper. When we refit the bumper, we just want to make sure that we locate our tabs on the back of the bumper, and then we want to be putting those straight into here. Make sure they locate in these locations on the bumper support bar. Around the side, again, we've got some tabs that are going to clip into that, and we're going to clip those in. They're just going to push in nicely there. Okay, get these headlights wired up and put it all back together.